I'm ready, friends. And let's see today how to add and animate the vignette effect for your video in Filmora. Okay, this is our video. And let's do double click on it. And in this window, which appeared, let's choose color. Here at the very top you can see the presets and you can choose the vignette that you like. I will choose, for example, let it be this one, the very first. Okay, so we edit vignette, but what if we want to animate it? Okay, then let's go a little bit down and find vignette here. This option turned on, and let us see. So we have amount, size, roundness, feather, exposure, highlight. Okay, and you can slide the sliders and change it as you wish. Okay, let us say at the very beginning I want it to be like this. Okay, let us add our keyframe. Okay, and then at some moment I want exposure to increase. Let us add keyframe and the size to be changed. At the very end, size to be changed again. For example, let's click OK and let's see what we have. I think we did it. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon.